Yo, apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right? But it feels so wrong. Got paid but I had to stretch it. Now I'm posted up trying to get it. She like, why you heartless? These hoes won't even get it. I got mad and I wanted to pull man up. If bros on go, don't tempt me. Don't even step with man if you're gonna explain to me why you left me. I was beefing guys that ain't got funds. Your line is slow, don't claim you shot. Dress code black is summer, same tracksuit, yo man's not hot. Couldn't even book no hotel, told my yeah that I know one spot. Fed on the block, let's relocate if shit gets hot.
Shit, what you saying though, man? I don't hear from you no more, bro. You good? I'm gonna check on man, fam. Just been on the block, man. Doing my thing. You know how it is, bro.
Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right? But it feels so wrong. Yo, shouted K like yo bro bleach it. At home debating the repercussions, yo fuck that I'm leaving. Ran man down in the daylight, probably like one zoo in the evening. Man always say real, recognize real. Really, what is the meaning? Car when bread's involved, them guys you're tight with moving different. Mumsy didn't expect this life from me when I was an infant. She saying I'm nonchalant, I'm glad you know how to listen. My neck went green back then, but now the VVs glisten. Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right? But it feels so wrong. Apart from bro when I ain't had bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fucks and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that life, right? But it feels so wrong.
Hey, keep me on the block, baby, what? Keep me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Keep me on the block, baby, what? Keep me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Bad ass kid, we'll race with the street like brand new fit. Got a Glock with the G-knife, Fred white tee with a creep pair of Levi, real ass crip. I never ever be slime, fake ass bitch, she'll never ever be mine. Cut a hoe off, we don't love these speed line. No conversation, he ain't got a stick. If it's escalated, I'ma shoot mine quick. Big 4-5, push through a nigga shit. Focus on the money, we ain't beating by the bitch, nigga. I'm a block baby with a 6. I'm a cheat code, nigga, I'm a glitch. Throw me in the game and I'm bound to get rich. Nigga turn wholesale while them niggas switch. So many times a nigga could've been a lick. I'ma wet a nigga up, leave his whole body drenched. Keep me on the block, baby, what? Keep me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Keep me on the block, baby, what? Keep me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby.
Hey, catch me on the block with some Grace 10 trade, and you know a nigga crip from the M to LA. Anywhere, any day, we gon' spray choppers coming on the lay. We gon' put the nigga in the grave. What you talking about? Walk up to him, then walk him down. Lift him up, ASI rifle, hit him and air them out. Still on the block with the gang, and this bitch got my flag on the left, and I'm letting it hang. Draco bouncing to the right and to the left. I like the glizzy better, cause I got aim. Shit, back him up, bullets mark him up. He talking too much, I left me a stain. We ain't doing water, shooters full throttle, bitch, you know we aim at your brain.
Keep me on the block, baby, what? Keep me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Keep me on the block, baby, what? Keep me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby. Walk in the party, I just bought a stick. Got a new Glock to go with my new fit. Niggas keep talking, I'm shooting this shit. Fuck a post up, my nigga coming right quick. My niggas gon' jam a J special quick. These niggas keep talking, we come with them glicks. Roll down the street. Got me a chop and a 223. Effing is coming, they blowing his feet. No blowing his head, cause I'm aiming for teeth. Nigga, what's up? I'm gon' aim for the chief. Ooh, big smoke, ayy. Big dose smoke and I got it in the back. Brother told me go give me a rat, so I went and got a pack and I made it right back. Had to make this shit double cause I got it like that. Well, I got the dope in the kitchen. My niggas just wanna get millions. Ayy, they see a young nigga gon' make it, so they feeling like they can go get it. Ayy, my brother in the ground, nigga skeleton the bones, and my uncle doing life, he ain't never coming home. This shit really crazy cause I feel him get a stone and these niggas don't know cause my mind really gone.
Oh yeah, I'm finna make a banger with this. Huh? What? DJ on the beat. Missed calls on my phone, see I been gone. Was trying to hit a lick, but that shit just went wrong. I got a thought, she right off the block. Her crib be the spot and we got Glocks. Tucked all in her shit, don't come in unless you knock. But this bitch Grammy told her about this nigga, help me set him up, and she was with it. She just wants some shoes and she ain't get no fuck. So we do that, I was at his neck, creeping from the back, but saw the ops and had to let him have it. How fucked up is that? But where that bitch? She ain't called me yet. We did that at 6 and who got hit? I know someone check cause Keembon he don't miss. Now 2 weeks past, I'm back on my grind. I can't waste no time, now I been quiet. They be whooping though, but them niggas not sliding. I been high, I can't even lie that I been on my mind. Why she ain't called? I ain't seen her ass, I hope that she alright. Now it's midnight, I'm hitting some blocks. Just me and my Glock came to a stop. I'm at a red light, I usually don't stop. My phone keep ringing, just a hoe of course. This bitch probably bored, I press ignore. I ain't got no time, a whore gon' be a whore. Now I get that feeling, something ain't right. I look to my right and I'm like, damn, there go that flexing nigga. He waving his pipe, he get the dump. Bullets get the coming, my heart get the dumping. I feel something, my left shoulder hot. Blood just get the gushing. I'm like, shit, ain't this about a bitch? And he with that bitch, I got a glimpse. She got them big lips that's made for sucking dick. Now it makes sense. That hoe set me up, that little dirty slut, the double cross, trying to get me caught like I'm Randy Moss. Aw shit, I just dropped my gun. Plus I got one arm, I'm trying to drive. I can't shoot back now. This man on my ass, I almost crashed. But I got the wheelie trying to kill for real, but that go 12. He bust a quick right and I just bust a left. Shit. Fuck, gang, you good? Damn, my shoulder, you know this bitch be fucking with me, gang.
Damn, man, finish telling me about that shit that was cracking off last week with them niggas and shit.
Oh yeah, look, now this what happened. A week later, my arm in a sling. I've been sipping lean, pure codeine. I don't feel a thing. My hoe say I need a blunt. Stuff that bitch will run. Boy, I'm on a hunt, ain't ate no breakfast, but I'm a boxer nigga. Like some Captain Crunch, I got a tip. That dot bitch be on 75th, right off Cottage with her best friend, getting her head did. I'm like cool, finna make my move. Post up what I do, this bitch a fool, but tryna play me out. Like that shit was cool, now it's like 2. Catch her walking out, her new hairstyle blue and she look cute, but that mean shit to me. I crept up, then I boom, and that was that. Now I'm running back, I stop in my tracks, that go that Porsche. How crazy is that? Boy, I'm on his ass. The first blast, it shatter his glass. Damn, this nigga fast, he hit the gas. I'm still shooting at him, but I'm too far back. Damn, I'm hyped, let me tuck this pipe. Get up out of sight, cause I see lights, and them bitches bright. Can't go to jail for life, so I take flight. Made it to the hood, everything went good. Knock on wood, flame me up with wood. Tuka smelling good, looked at my phone, got a